Single-page applications enable us to create digital experiences that are richer and more dynamic than ever before. However, the headless CMSs that power them have one big problem. Editors often can't see how their content will be used, and they lack the creative control they need. They can only enter content in forms, but can't build out their own experiences. But wait, isn't a CMS supposed to empower content authors? That's why we created the new Visual SPA Editor. It's an editing tool that gives authors a visual what you see is what you get experience like they are used to from a traditional page editor. Even though it can feed SPAs that run in a decoupled front end and are built with Angular, Vue, and React. So why is everybody choosing to use SPAs now? Web experiences are getting more interactive, and customer expectations are rising. Because an SPA is an actual app running in the visitor's browser, it delivers fast, flexible, and dynamic experiences. Secondly, digital projects move faster because they're based on the popular Angular, Vue, and React frameworks. Developers are easier to find, enthusiastic about the technology, and get up to speed right away. Check out this example. It's a modern dynamic website. It loads really fast. The entire website is actually an SPA. The technology is not just for interactive fragments of a page anymore. People are using it to build entire sites. Now let's have a look at the editing tools that were used to build these pages. A typical headless CMS only has form-based editing tools, like this one. Magnolia adds the Visual SPA Editor. Authors get a high-fidelity preview. They know exactly where their content appears, and have complete control over the entire experience. They can choose which components they want and exactly where they go. This means that as a content author or marketer, I can get my job done, and I'm back in control, and the developer's time is not wasted to make changes to the app all the time. For developers, we've made it easy. We provide a JavaScript library to implement the feature. Think about where an SPA and a visual editor could take you. You can fully reap the strategic benefits of a decoupled headless architecture. Developers get to work with the hottest front-end technologies and can streamline their workflows. And your content authors and marketers gain back control in order to create truly compelling experiences for your customers. Find everything you need to know in our documentation.